sky, really, like. Y'all, it's the car rental for me after a week though. But God is still good. He gets all the glory. Because I'm alive. I'm alive. And my car is going to start getting looked at tomorrow. So, but y'all see this glow? This glow is my... I mean, it's still little spots. But overall, the glow for me.
Guess I'll find someone else, but I don't got time for no one else. Grind hard, Glendale being shown for panoramic roof. In here we smoke. Leave a pistol anybody approaching. In your name in case we get pulled over. Me life, she not gonna live. Searching like a slice in the light of my shots, y'all flex. Time to have sex. Look how long you have the room while you sleep, y'all flex. Time to have sex.
Okay, nigga. So y'all, this is option 1. Best friend. Do a little tour of the car. I'm not gonna post this yet, but like I said, it's on my channel. But this is option 1.
I can see you driving this. Okay.
But see,
okay.
yeah,
okay.
Minor little mess up, so we finna go in here and negotiate, okay? Because that's how you do it. Let's discuss how I had to put $5 in the car. Because it was no
the
gas.
shit was on E. He said, put $5 in. I'll give it back to you.
Sir, I'm gonna go back and be like, so just for that, that's why it's $5,500 because
exactly.
the unprofessionalism for
Run
me.
that price down.
But I am. And granted, I'm putting more miles on it driving it, but I don't care because, sweetie.
I'm about to say you can make it like.
I am. It's like I want to test it out and go fast. Best friend, I like how fast they go. Like, this dangerous.
We're not on the open road.
I gotta make sure my brakes work.
I was about to say, not to do what my old car was doing. I was about to say, hell no,
Oh no, I was doing it. I was doing it. I gotta make sure my brakes work so I don't get hit. So it's an eco mode. Here, you can show them details of the top. It say activate eco mode, but I'm taking it out. I wanted that save your gas. Somebody asked them, what does that mean? Because I genuinely don't know. So I want to know.
I also don't know.
Okay. But I like this. I like the radio area that has a USB little port down here that I like. I feel like the car is priced at a good price range. Oh yeah, this is my first time to see if it reversed properly. Okay. Cool wings.
Yeah.
So I like the way it drives, really, really smooth. Emmanuel as the passenger, he can give y'all his feedback on the way it drives. It drives really smooth. That's what I want to put in my yard when I get a house. You see how big? Yes, they're so gorgeous. Yeah. And then it's like privacy. It helps for privacy without having to like get a fence. So, but yeah, like I really genuinely like this. I do. It's like I don't want to keep driving and putting more miles on it because that's gonna be another thing too. Because it's not 9,200, it's that no more. Like, so bring it down to 5,500.
We not far, that place right up there.
It is. I ain't want to go far because I don't want to get lost. I don't know where the hell I'm at.
Yeah, like we don't have GPS.
I mean, yeah. I'm just saying. He said you're gonna take it for as long as you want. That's what just killed me because. You won't get it back. What happened? What happened?
Chance said, so one of y'all gonna have to step up and pick up some shifts. Because Jessica said she quitting on the spot after her shifts. No, she not. Jessica lying.
I was about to say it's a joke. It's a joke. They love trying to play pranks. You know what I'm gonna get in the group chat and do? Be dramatic. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? You was the bestest.
It's really me though. There wouldn't be nothing without me. It's just that.
Laughing my ass.
Oh, you can laugh at the truth all you want.
Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, by accident.
Where you going?
Turn it. So keep driving straight?
Oh, I thought we was about to go back. Where's you going?
I'm still driving.
Oh, I thought it was going back. That's why I said that.
I put $5 in it. I'm using my $5.
Yeah, run that shit back down to you.
Cause yeah, tell the next person to put 5 in. Cause I mean, I'm never gonna get my 5 back. But no, I'm really just gonna be like.
Not Grand Theft Auto Sales. That's the name of that car line.
I mean, people gonna remember it.
They stole the cars.
Can I turn? Right here. I'm not trying to go far. I just want to go little places, little back roads and shit to where, oh, okay, this is an actual.
Let's do some donuts.
No. This nice though. That's cute. I'm not gonna get a damn donut in this car. I don't even know. Budget in, but not really. Just giving me ignorant.
I'm gonna get you a room there for your birthday next year.
See, I can't do it.
I'm so weak.
Yeah.
Hey. Go faster.
No, but at least it can turn properly.
Right.
It's so smooth. That's why I
It
like
is.
it.
Even
Like,
doing the donut is smooth.
oh my god! Like what the? I don't know what the hell y'all done did to this car, but it's mine. This God said it's what? Hold on, I gotta put on a praise. Put on a praise song. Come on, I'm gonna get out and shout because God
Okay,
is must be
hold
mine.
up.
Come
I
on.
got you.
Hold on, let me back up so I don't be ghetto. I don't need everybody looking at me because don't do that.
We gonna set it up. We both gonna shout.
On Sunday? Yeah, no, really,
I'm
probably.
talking about right here in this video.
Oh, okay, come on. Cause what? Shout, 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 shout. Woo! God is so good to me. Hey! Hey, you gotta give me some coming on your side.
Where we gonna set it at? Wait, let me put my car in sport mode.
You can really shout.
can't.
I want to shout. Teach me.
I can't shout, y'all.
It's a new car for me. It's a new car for me. Well, we look cute.
I was about to say we should have took some pictures like this. Take screenshots. Pose and we're gonna take screenshots.
Alright.
This for sign. People driving by looking at us like we
And I don't care because God is what? Great!
good all the time.
Come over in the camera. He better praise him. Woo! Woo! Put a praise on it, y'all. So I think I'm not even gonna go nowhere else. Cause I think,
Talk about the Jessica and Market.
oh, cause I think what's supposed to be for me is gonna be for me. I looked at this car. My mama sent me this car. I think this is my new car.
Yeah. I'll get him a tour outside.
Oh yeah. Oh we did?
Snap video.
Oh yeah, we did. But y'all, another one. Another one. Of course they're gonna probably take the tags off. But like I said, a little minor. This all get fixed and this all get fixed. But other than that, I think this is the car. I think this is the car for me. Y'all see I'm a little out of breath. But it's okay. This is the car for me. Yeah. So y'all, not to like jinx nothing or nothing. But your girl went and looked at a car today. Loved the car. Loved the car. I have a mechanic that really fucks with me. He's looking at my car for free tomorrow. Gonna replace, well, fix the two little things that need to be fixed on it. But no major damages. It's a 2015. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it is yet. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. Because it's the little things. It's the little things, the minor setbacks. When God is setting you up for something bigger, for something greater. I don't think y'all understand how 2021 has been a trying year. But my God is going to always bring me out on top. Like, every time. Every time. Y'all, I'm out here with my baby for the last time. Sky, it was fun while I had you, mamas. Nothing was wrong with her, y'all, but this one side. And they gonna say it's a total damn loss. I can't. I can't. But we had a fun ride, this car. Loved it here. Bye, Sky. Oh, I'm so sad. Thank you, Cindy, for helping me. Sky. That was her name. Here, put it in the back seat. Thank you. My helper. This the car rental, y'all. Love the rental. You can get back in the car anytime. Thank you so much for helping me. The rental I love, y'all. Love it. Love, love, love. Look at you, Sinise. You missed something.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And so I'm going to do a little run through. But yeah, y'all. It's been real. It's been real. It's been realer than real. But I love this car. Didn't even have it for 3 years. Didn't even have it for 3 years. Already. Just gone. Messed up. Definitely taking my air freshener. I'm not getting that because it smells too good in this car. I just have Milo in this car. Definitely taking my change because y'all see all that. Period. Cleaning out the car is the most. Like, I didn't even realize I had all this stuff in the car. Until now. Well, that's it, Sky. My new car don't even got a sunroof. I just thought about that.